Hey guys, it's DestinyLashae, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I shave my face. The reason why I personally shave my face is because it makes my makeup go on smoother and it makes my face feel a lot softer. Right now I have on a face mask that I did not wash off last night, so I'm going to wash this off. I'm going to do my regular skincare routine. I'm going to show you guys that because it's a little bit different because I am nairing my face today. Basically everything is the same, but I'm still going to show you guys my skincare routine because I feel like you guys like to see it anyway. And another thing, I'm going to be showing you guys my skin under the microscope. Again, I'm going to show you guys before I use the Nair and after I use the Nair. I'm personally curious to see if the Nair damages the skin, or I know it makes my skin red after I actually Nair, but I'm just curious to see if it does any actual damage to my actual skin and if it really takes the hair out from the root. So I'm just going to wash my face. If I sleep in my face mask like I did last night, generally what I do is I take my Shea Moisture African Black Soap and I just go ahead and work it into my face. So personally, this is a personal preference. I like to exfoliate before I put the Nair on my face. The reason why I like to do that is because I feel like exfoliating prior to shaving or getting rid of hair helps prevent ingrown hairs. To exfoliate today, I'm going to use the African Black Soap Clarifying Scrub. This is not a really harsh scrub. It's very gentle compared to other ones that I've tried. I've used harsher scrubs before. So I'm just gonna let my face dry for a little bit and I'll be right back and show you my skin under the microscope. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. So we're just gonna look at my skin under the microscope and see if we see any hair. So I'm just gonna put it on my cheek first. The last time I naired was probably like a week and a half ago. So there's definitely hair there. Yeah, I have a lot of hair in this area. So does a lot of people, men and women. The main area that my hair usually grows is like around my chin and my mustache. And it seems like little hairs are starting to grow back in the center of my face. Looks like there's a lot of hair like on my cheeks right here. So what I like to do if I have like an active breakout, I like to take some Aquaphor and just place it on the breakout just to kind of protect it so that it doesn't burn. And then I go in with my Nair. I like using the face cream Nair only. I do not use any other Nair on my face but this one right here. This is a sensitive formula specifically meant for your face. Like I said before, if you have sensitive skin, do not even try this. Like, don't say Destiny told you to shave your face with Nair, No, do not even try this. Like I said, test it on your face before using it. Do not put this on your entire face because you might be allergic. So what I like to do is take a mask applying brush. You can use any brush of your choosing. You can use a foundation brush, a paint brush, it doesn't really matter. Just pick up a brush so you can apply the Nair evenly to your face without having to touch it. This stuff does smell like relaxer too, by the way. Apply it to the areas that have a lot of hair first. So the areas with the thickest amount of hair, like right here, I tend to have a lot of hair. And you want to apply this fairly quickly. You don't want to take your time because you don't. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Beware of your baby hairs. Beware of your eyeballs. Beware of the creases of your nose because it could burn there. Because some people's noses are sensitive. Don't go too close to your eyes. Watch out for your eyebrows. Just be very careful. I really like this Bare Minerals brush for this because it's like perfect for going around your brows with the Nair. I swear, just nairing my face makes my makeup go on so smooth and it helps my face to look a lot more glowy. So I go in and set my timer for 4 minutes. I generally set it for 4 minutes while I'm applying the Nair because you don't want to leave it on your face for more than 5. So I'm just going to leave it on for 4 minutes and I'll be right back. So it's been about 5 minutes. If you try this on your face, like if you do the tester the first time and it burns, take it off immediately. If you do the tester, it works out fine, and you put it on your entire face, it starts to burn, take it off immediately. It's not supposed to burn your face at all. Like right now, my face feels perfectly fine. So just a warning. I'm just gonna take this off my face with some cold water. I don't wanna open up my pores, so I'm gonna use some cold water to take the nair off. So I'm gonna go back in with my soap and kind of wash my face lightly to get the nair off, because I don't want the nair product to sit on my face. If you've used nair before, you know what I'm talking about. There's like this film that sits on your face that I don't like. So I like to take this off. My face feels so smooth. Alright, so I'm really curious to see how my skin looks under the microscope now that I've naired my face. Okay, let's start off on this cheek. So as you can see, the hair is still embedded in the pore, but it's not as long as it was before. These hairs were really long. Let's just go down to my chin area. Personally, I probably could have kept the nair on longer, but I'm a little scared. I don't want to like burn my face off. But the hairs are definitely a lot shorter. And I generally do this about once a week. Let's look at the hair on my mustache area. Well, I could have got up here more, but oh, look at this. This is the perfect area. Like, look at that. You can still see the hairs in the pores, but the hairs aren't as long. Area. Alright, let's look at my forehead area. Yeah, there's definitely not as much hair up here. And on the sides of my face, the hairs are definitely a lot shorter. Yeah, on my chin area, the nair really worked. So overall, I really like nairing my face. I feel like it just helps my face feel a lot smoother, and I get that nice glow. Like I said, I do this about once a week, and I love doing it. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I've been doing it for the past couple weeks and I love it. So let me know if you're willing to try this down below. Let me know if you've tried it before. I love nairing my face. It may not be for everybody, but you know, it's definitely worth a try or a test. Like this video if it helped you out. Subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next video.